Alright guys, welcome back. I brought you guys an update today because Bitcoin is dipping again, and I knew it was going to do this. It has been bringing the altcoins down. Altcoins were on sale again today. I meant to bring you guys the video earlier. I had a lot going on today, but I'm going to tell you guys what I bought today, how much of it I bought, and what I think is going to happen going forward, and if you guys should start dollar cost averaging into these projects. So without further ado, let's dive into my computer. We are going to ignite the fire here in the charts. Alright guys, so as you guys see, my $2,000 worth of Tether has now been deployed. I've also deployed some money out of my Robinhood. I've been taking some money out of Tesla because I think some of these coins have reached really good buy prices. I still, of course, have plenty of money on the side, but now my allocation, I only have 34% in USDC now. I am more allocated into the market. What did I buy today? I'm going to show you guys what I bought in just a second. We are sitting right here at 41.6 on Bitcoin. We reached the bottom today. The bottom of the candle looks like we reached 43. That's not far. Like, look at how close we are to the CME gap, guys. So I think there is more downside. If we reach this far, if we're this far, and this is why we stopped here, because there's a lot of support in this area right here. But I think we're going a bit lower. So do not buy anything heavy just because I bought some. I'm just dollar cost averaging. It's part of my plan. Deployed some money because you never know when you're going to reach a really good deal. Like, it's good to buy these coins, especially at prices that I got them. So let's dive into what I got. What did I buy today? I loaded a position on Internet Computer. I did not have any. I sold my Internet Computer at about $14, ran to like 16 or 17. You know, I was sad about it. I thought it was going to go like 20 or 30 bucks. Thank goodness it came back down. I was able to get 60 tokens at $10.42 per token. Pretty awesome deal. Internet Computer, where are we at right now? I'm just going to pull it up for you guys really quick and show you guys. We're at 11.19 right now. Where was the bottom of the dip? So I must have reached like the very bottom of that, because when I was buying it on Coinbase, I was like, whoa, I can't believe it's actually this cheap. And by the way, CoinMarketCap doesn't always show the actual prices that things actually get to. Like, even if you looked at Paid Network, I bought a dip on Paid Network at 11 cents last week. And look, it doesn't show the 11 cents. Wait, where is it? Hold on, where is it? Yeah, see, there is nowhere where it says that it made it to 11 cents. What day did it do it? On the 10th, it says that it made it to 17, but it actually was that 11 cents, and if some of you guys were there, you know it was. But that brings me into this one. I bought this dip too. 25, 21, how much did I buy it for? I got it for 26.17. I bought paid today for 26.17. I bought 2,000 paid. What's that position worth right about now? $748 my paid position is worth right now. So I didn't get the very bottom of the move. I got close to the bottom though. That's close enough. I mean, that's very nice. Paid, I'm long-term very bullish on paid. Paid was a $6 token. It's 30 cents. It's a launch pad. They launch all different genre type of projects, not just gaming crypto projects. And it's actually founded and run by a guy here, Kyle Chassis. The guy, he's a YouTuber here in the crypto industry. So a lot of you guys might know him actually. And that's what's cool, is because you actually know where the project is coming from. We know the community. You know, it's not like one of these random secretive projects. We don't know nothing about it. So anyway, on to my next one. What else did I buy here today? I bought 3 Illuvium tokens. Illuvium. I've been stacking Illuvium, but it seems like I always end up unloading it whenever it pumps. Now I have 6 Illuvium tokens. I bought how many today? How many of them did I buy today? I bought 3. So I doubled my position in Illuvium today at about $78. What did it run? 78.17 is the bottom on CoinMarketCap. I got it at 78.94. I bought 3 Illuvium tokens. I think Illuvium is a good buy. Do be mindful it could go lower. It was $40 token back in October, but we're at this point now where I was buying at less than a 2x from the bottom. Like, that's good. That's really good considering the fact that we made it. This thing made it to like almost $121 just recently, back in November 26th. So, I mean, the board's still down about 50% from that high right there, guys. Right? Is it 50%? 35%, something like that. Anyway, guys, yes, I think Illuvium could definitely, it's not going to go back to like 2 grand. It's not going to do this $2,800 price tag, but Illuvium can definitely go back to this area at least. It's a good, very good project, solid project. It's like an OG granddaddy crypto game that everybody knows about. This is the one, like, everybody's like, oh, Illuvium. So definitely check out Illuvium, because we'll probably end up being around $500, $600, $700 mark at least on Illuvium, which is gonna be a solid 10x for you guys, pretty much almost a 10x from where I was buying it at $78. It probably could do a 10x from there, guys. So keep that one on your radar. Like I said, don't buy a lot of anything. Don't buy anything because I said so. Do your own research. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. But don't buy a lot of everything. Like if you've got 2 grand, maybe have deployed 500 on this dip today. If you had 5 tokens you wanted, maybe have bought 100 of each one of those tokens. That's what I would do. That's sort of what I'm doing, and just on a higher level. I deployed about 2 grand today. We'll buy again at $40. And who knows? I mean, like, maybe it can go lower, but I don't think we'll see it back at $40. I mean, like, maybe he's just wishing that he could have gotten in before the thing pumped to 3x. Like I said, guys, dollar cost average, because maybe it will go low. Maybe it will go to 70. Maybe it'll go to 60. That's why I only have 6 tokens, by the way, because if it went to $50, I'd have bought like 10 tokens. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, on to the next thing that I bought today. I loaded up an extra 100,000 Aventus Metaverse. Right here, Ventus Metaverse I picked up today, and I was just selling this yesterday. I was selling it for like 54. What was it? Yeah, somewhere around here. I was selling it at like 50, 54, 52 area, and then because I thought there was going to be more downside for Bitcoin. When I saw it, because I was loading up on this dip yesterday, I unloaded some up here, and then it dumped again. And what did I get it at? I did not get it at the bottom. I got it at 37.8. So where did I get it? I got it pretty low. I got it down in this little dip area down here, and we're already piling our way back up here. We're back up to 46 already. Big potential, maybe a huge gem. You know, I think so. I think it will be a great project. How much did I buy? I bought 100,000 more tokens. I've got 1,300 now. Now, do be mindful. I didn't buy 1,300. I'm now up money on this because I've been scalping these dips. I put money into my Polygon, my Matic wallet on my MetaMask, and then I basically did what I did there. I literally bought these 2 dips. I've been running these dips exactly what I said here, and each time between the mid 30s up to the 50s up here. When you do that, guys, you're accumulating tokens. Really, guys, that's essentially what you're doing. When you bought down here and you sold up here back into Matic, actually a lot of it was in USDT. I didn't hold it in Matic, but you're holding it in that wallet waiting, and then you get it again down here. You're getting like a 60% discount rate here just because of price manipulation. And on a gem that's probably going to explode a lot long term. This was in my video yesterday, guys. I showed you this one in my video yesterday. It's only at 159K market cap now. It has went down since my video yesterday. That's why I'm bringing it to you guys again, because like, look at, like, if you missed out and you didn't, like, I always say, don't ever buy the top of a pump. Do not like jump on a pump over here. So, and when this was a pump, I didn't want to buy it up there. I waited, got it in like the 50s area, and then when I was able to get it in the 30s, like, this is like a steal. So if you guys are able to get it for below 50, I think that that's a good idea, a good price, especially with such a low market cap right now. It's very early for this project. If I showed you on Dex Tools, where is it? I thought I had it up on my Dex Tools. AVTM right there. If you guys looked, it has 558 holders, so you're very early to the party on this one. It also has a 75 Dex score, just in case you didn't see that video yesterday. It is a good project. Definitely check out everything though. They do have 2 audit alerts. Do your own research. Don't buy because I bought it, but I am holding a decent amount. I put my money where my mouth is with that one, guys, for sure. Onto the last one. 35k Metastrike, just making sure the stream is going. 35k Metastrike. Metastrike, I absolutely love that token, guys. You know I love Metastrike. Here it is right here. It's been so hard to get this thing at a good deal. Like, I unloaded a lot of it for profits about a month back, and I've been waiting to get really good prices on it. I got a good price today. 14.32. What did I buy it at? Man, 15.16. So 15.16, bought it in like this area right here. I got it in like either side of this dip right here. I didn't get the bottom of this dip. I missed it doing a lot of stuff, you know, guys. But yes, that is a good price. It is a good price to have gotten in that dip. I mean, like, we're looking, that's like near the bottom of the 7 days. You know what I mean? And if you look about a month back, I was trying to get it back in these areas, but I just can't seem to get it back there. I took a lot of profits in like the 2 penny area because I really thought it was overextended. It did like a 3x in a couple of days. And since then, I've just been accumulating in each one of these low areas. The 13s, the 14s, and the 15s I've been accumulating. Each time we get a pump to about the 18s, I just take a little bit of money off. Essentially, I'm scalping little pieces of each bag to accumulate tokens. That's essentially what I've been doing here, guys. And there's 1,200 right there. I did not buy $1,200 worth. This is what I've accumulated over time. And it's already went up a bit since I've bought back into it. I mean, it's went up like 6% since I bought back into it, since that dip right there, because that was a monstrous dip. But yeah, guys, I mean, like, that's what I've got for you. That's what I bought today. My holdings now, as you guys can see, here's my actual holdings, all my big holdings. I got 2,000 Game Zone, 1,500 Celestia, 1,300 Aventus, Injective, Metastrike, Cosmos, Chain of Legends, Solana, Seascape. These are all, I have over 1,000 worth of each one of these. They're all worth you guys looking at because I'm definitely putting my own money into it, and I'm leaving it there. Like, a lot of these are staked and I can't even touch them. Injective, like everything on the top here except for these gaming projects, it's all staked, guys. And the gaming projects, I've been scalping the crap out of tokens on them, and that's why I've been able to accumulate. Paid network, I'd love to get over $1,000 worth of that. Internet computer, if it goes to $9, I'll buy more. Illuvium, if it goes to $70, I'll buy more. I'm not going to add any more to any of these projects. Once it's over 1,000, I'm done adding, unless it's like for an airdrop. I did that with like Injective and Celestia. I did that a little bit. Anyway, guys, I will add to the stuff down here at the bottom. LitLab Games, Osmosis, Kujira, Illuvium, Internet Computer. I will add to these projects, and I'll let you guys know when I do so. So subscribe to the channel because I'm going to let you guys know what I'm doing going forward with the market. What do I think is going to happen next? I want to let you guys off with that one. What do I think is going to happen next? I think we're probably going to get like probably up to this area right here, back up to this little line of like heavy support, and this is going to be turned into resistance, this like 42.5 area, unless we come back up and test 43 one more time, and then we're dipping off to the CME gap slowly. How long will it take? I don't know. Probably the next 1 to 6 weeks this will all take place. If we blow underneath this area, we're going to probably go down to this area. Why? Because there was a lot of support in that area. Next area down from that, underneath 37 is 35. A lot of support in that area. If we truly fail there, we're going to 29 because there's a lot of support in that area as well. But what do I think is going to happen? Maybe if the bullish scenario is that we stop here. The bearish scenario is that we hit one of these ones. We don't want to think about anything below that happening. If we only hit this one, that's why I'm buying altcoins now. Because if we only hit this one, these might be dips that you're going to be happy that you bought, guys. So keep that in mind. I'll leave it here with you guys. Smash that like button. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks, and take care.